Hello. I got a treat for you. I'd grow a lot in pots. It's not even just about even pots. Even if you don't have pots, you should probably do something like this. But we're going to talk about some bugs today. We're going to talk about worms and plant life or soil life. They're in here. And of course, they're all going to be at the bottom, but you see. So we got a little thing of bugs, of worms. Of course, they're all going to be at the bottom. In this case, this lady said it was like 500 worms per, so this should be like 1,000 worms in here. I'm just checking to make sure, but the soil life looks pretty good. Any rate, let me show you what I do. Alright, so I just have this 40-gallon tote, one of those ones you get from Sam's Club or whatnot. And just look at this life in here. You can see all these little springtails, get roly-polies in here, worms. This is like basically a composting slash bug farm. This is what I do to seed my pots. I have this turf grass, so it's not like anything can live and grow into my pots, or rather move into my pots. So what I do is grow them in here. If you saw my other video, you saw me make this bin. It's still going. I mean, these are $20 for some worms. I just want to add more in here. And what it is, this is cocoa peat, mainly. And then we add some grit. And what I'll also do is add scraps in here. Make sure it's moist. It's covered with cloth, breathable. We have the holes in this bucket, but look at these worms. These are actually decent sized. I'll kind of just direct compost in here. Let these things grow, eat. This turns into worm castings. Every like year or so I have to put some more cocoa coir in here because the worms eat that as well. But it's just straight health. And I just scoop out of this and add it into the pots. But for now, with all these new beds, let's go ahead and add some worms directly into it. So I have these little containers in here that I put scraps in directly. And then I'm just going to seed these with some worms. Pretty much just, I put them in with the food directly, and then I'll put some in each container or pot. They'll find their way to the food, and that'll be like direct worm castings. Really beneficial. Nobody gets left behind. But you see how my grass is. There's no way for life to find their way into my pots. So I just do it manually. And every year, I'll scoop out of that container, or rather that tote, and add them directly. You just want something with a lid because you don't want a lot of those flies and things like that laying eggs and reproducing. These were purchased at like the dollar store. Seed your pots, guys. Leave me some comments. What do you guys do? Let's talk about it. Springtime. Love it. Let's grow.